Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, Day 5. We are picking a progressively harder lock every single day for the entire month of March. So far, we have done the 4th on Day 1, followed by 1, 6, and 5. We are doing this to grow the community, promote lock sport, and have fun while we're doing it. So, we are going to pin up either 2 or 3, and our random number generator says 2. So I'm going to get this pinned up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the Abyss all pinned up. You remember this key from our introduction video when we cut it down to size, and it still works. So we almost have a full lock here. The only one we're missing is 3, so I'm gonna use my medium hook to grab that number 6 in the way back. I got to click out of that one. I can move over to my short hook for the rest. No 3. I'm just feeling my way around here. And there we go. Alright, so day 5 is it now? So, day 5 completed. Tomorrow we'll get the first time this whole key will be put to test. I'm hoping you're liking this month. Please grab someone who hasn't picked a lock yet sometime this month and just show them how. It's extremely gratifying to watch the surprise on their face as they turn over their first lock. So please hit subscribe right here. Click over here to see the introduction video that explains this entire month. And click here to see the playlist of everything that we've done this month. And if you have anything to contribute to the playlist, hit me up in the messages. Until tomorrow, peace.